how is it possible to create change in our connective tissue, our myofascia, virtually without hands-on? It is extremely possible, and we have done it with many people literally all over the globe. Fascia has another property, and that property is actually what can give you long-term results. Because that elastic property, it only lasts a few hours to 24 hours of relief. However, the property of fascia that we are going to help you capitalize on is the remodeling of fascia. Remodeling of fascia occurs over weeks, months, and years. And through simple homework exercises to help you adjust your myofascia, and then intensive postural re-education, we can give you the tools to reduce your pain immediately 25 to 75% without the needs of hands-on, and then show you how to sustain it. Fascia remodels based on how you load your body in gravity. And unless you're in outer space, we're in gravity. This means we're going to look at how you sit, how you stand, how you sleep, how you get in and out of a chair, and many other activities. And it is just incredible through modifying even those activities, just those, the incredible change that you can create for yourself. And if you've been living with chronic pain to the point where it's even affecting your sleep, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And simply through virtual coaching, we can get you to actually sleep and to actually start to remodel your fascia. Even while you're sleeping, we will coach you how to sleep in a position that will help you shift out of the pattern you've been locked in.